Now, we're saying about the additive identity. Okay, identity methods. We're having two identities method. One is additive identity method, multiplication identity method. Identity method means the same. Okay, if I am substituting anything, you are getting the same value. If I am having a in 7th standard also we already learn about this. If a plus dash equal to, again I am getting a. The only possibility if I put 0 only. Okay, so 0 plus any number I am getting a. The same dash plus a. Okay, so in this place also 0 plus a or a plus 0, you are getting the same number. In number we can use example 4 plus, I am again getting 4 means adding 0. So 4 plus 0 again a 4. The same if you are having 0 plus 4 also a 4. The answer should be the same number, right? The 4. Okay. In a multiplication, what is the process? Which number you are going to multiply, get the same number. If I am having a into some number equal to, again I am getting a means the only 1. Okay. Means you are getting 2 equal to 2 means multiply with some 1. Otherwise 1 into 2 is possible, right? So that's equal to 1 into a. You already learn about in your 7th standard, right? So then additive inverse, this is the identity. So if I am substituting one value, I am getting the same value. Your answer, that's only the identity. Okay, additive means you are adding a 0, you are getting the same values. Multiplication means multiplying 1, getting the same value. Okay, so inverse means we already know. Inverse means reciprocal. Reciprocal, for example, a inverse means, what is a inverse? So reciprocal of this is nothing but 1 by a. So a is a normal value. If you are going to reciprocal, it means inverse means 1 by a. Okay, so in addition I can write, addition means if you are having a positive means which one is the opposite sign, means inverse sign, negative, right? So if I am having a means adding symbol, so which one is a negative, which one is the additive inverse? So minus, right? So minus a is my inverse. So I am adding these two number, I am getting a 0, because we already know about the identity is a 0 means your answer become a 0 is your additive inverse. Okay, so multiplication inverse means if you are I told, right, the inverse of this value, so it is appropriate to your multiplication. So if you multiply with any number, you are getting a 1, because the multiplication method, your identity, you are substituting 1, right? So that value become your solution in this place. So into which value? If you are cancelling this a alone, so 1 by a. So a I am getting cancelled, then finally I am getting 1. Okay, that's one thing. If I am having 1 by a means, find out the inverse of 1 by a means, which one is the inverse? So again this should be become a e. A is the inverse for 1 by a. 1 by a is the inverse for a. That's it. Okay. So in addition means having a positive symbol means you are getting a negative symbol is your additive inverse. You are having a negative value means you are getting a positive symbol. Okay. Then by using the rational number, we are going to find out. We already said, right, if having a 2 number is a 0 or 1, I am having a 2 rational number. Okay, so one more thing is each and every value is a rational number, because for example 1, 2 or 3, these also rational number. But you will ask the question, oh ma'am, but we have a p by q only a rational number, how can we say 1 is a 1, 2, 3 is a rational number? It is a round of value, right? Okay, so we are having each and every number. So 1 means it representing 1 by 1, 2 means 2 by 1, 3 means 3 by 1. So each having a p value, q value, p value, q value. So it is also mentioned your rational number. Okay, so that's why I am taking what they mention, alternative method to find rational number between any two rational number by average concept. Okay, by using the average concept, we are going to find out in between rational number. You are taking any two number, whatever it is. I am taking, for example, 0, 1. Whatever number you need, taking that number, you will find out your in between of these two rational number. Okay, we already know the average method. By using the average method means you already know. So you are taking a 2 number means the denominator should be 2. So the first number in your book, they given the formula C equal to A plus B overall by 2. Otherwise it also written 1 by 2 into A plus B. Okay, so for example, I am taking my A equal to 0, my B equal to 1 means 0 plus 1 by 2. I am getting 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. So that 0.5 is 0 to 0.5 means in between 0 to 1, right? So this is my 0.5 middle. If you want to find out the next number also, you take your A value and the 0.5, you can find out this middle part also. Okay, for example, I am having A equal to 0, B equal to, I am taking a round of value, okay, 2, 1 by 2. Okay, this is also okay, this is also okay. So adding this by using this formula, average concept formula, find out the in between of the rational number. So by using this 1 by 2, so 0 plus 1 by 2. Okay, 0 plus any number is, we already know the additive inverse. 0 plus A also you are getting A, right? So by using that 1 by 2 into, you are getting this value is again 1 by 2. So that's it, 1 into 1, 1 by 4. Okay, this is one of the concept. This is a important formula by find outing your rational number. You can write like this or this. Okay, this formula is the same only. Then if you have a multiplication like this means you are representing minus into plus. Minus 5 7s are, you are getting how much? 35 by 8. Okay, this is a normal multiplication method. The division method, by dividing this value means, so 7 by minus 8, division of this value, so minus 3 by 4. We already know about the concept. What's the concept? A by B, division of C by D means this is a numerator, this is a numerator, right? So in the downwards of the numerator move to the denominator, denominator is moved to the reciprocal form. Okay, this is called as a reciprocal form. Denominator is moved to the numerator. So A into D by B into C. This is a basic concept for your this type of the division. Okay, so your numerator move to the denominator, denominator move to the numerator. So the same process I am getting. So this is a numerator, this is a denominator, this is a numerator, this is a denominator. This value is divided by this value, right? So this is my numerator. So 7 by minus 8 as usual. Numerator is representing the denominator and this denominator move to the numerator. Okay, whether it is cancelling or not. Okay, so in 4 table 8 is going for 2 times. So this is for 1 time, this is for 2 times. Whether the other values is not cancelling, so I directly writing. So 7 ones are 7, division of, so we already know in multiplication minus into minus, minus, plus into plus, sorry, minus into minus, plus, plus into plus, plus. So opposite signs are minus. So plus into minus equal to minus, minus into plus is equal to minus. Okay, the opposite signs are minus, the same signs are positive in your multiplication. So minus into minus in this place plus. So I am having remainder 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. So I am getting final answers are 7 by 6. Okay.